Hello, and welcome to our demonstration on how to use Microsoft Teams to have productive meetings remotely. Teams can be run in three ways. First, from a web browser. Log on to your Office 365 account at office.com and open Teams from in here. Second, using the Teams desktop application. From Microsoft's website, you can download and install Microsoft Teams. With your Office 365 license, Teams is already included, and right now, Microsoft is offering this for free to businesses and individuals. It's available for these listed desktop configurations, and as a third choice, Teams can also be installed on your mobile devices. For this video, I will be demonstrating using the desktop application, but if you don't have an external or integrated microphone on your computer, it may make more sense to use the Teams app on your mobile device when joining a Teams meeting. Once you have opened and signed into Teams, in the upper right-hand corner, your initials or your picture has a color-coded circle showing your status. This can be changed manually here. For those using Office 365, Teams integrates with Outlook. When you have a meeting scheduled in Outlook, you don't have to change this manually. Your status automatically updates at the time of your meeting to show you are busy. On the left side of our Teams app, you can see there are many features such as Chat for quick messages, Teams to create and join teams and be able to share posts and files for easy collaboration. Calls can really utilize Teams as your phone system and much more. Here at Crestwood, we have been using Teams as our unified communications platform for a few years, and I could spend hours describing all it can do. But for this video, we are going to concentrate on Teams meetings. To create a meeting, start in your calendar and either select New Meeting or simply the time and date that you would like to start your meeting. Fill out all required information, typing in your attendees' names. Teams will find names within your organization, but you may need to type in the full email address for attendees outside of your organization to add them. You do have a scheduling assistant where you can see the availability of your internal attendees and simply send it as you would any other meeting request. Office 365 users may prefer using their Outlook calendar to schedule Teams meetings. This gives you direct access to your company's address list. And in addition, you will also be able to access your own personal Outlook contacts. We will see shortly how internal attendees connect to team meetings, but those outside your organization will receive this link at the bottom to join the meeting, allowing them to connect with a web browser, the Teams desktop, or mobile app. You may notice that my invitation also includes a conference phone number and ID. This does not come standard with Microsoft Teams, but can be purchased as an add-on product. When it is just about time for your meeting to start, in Teams, when you head to the calendar, you will see Join right next to your meeting time. It's as simple as clicking on Join. Now, before you start the meeting, you do have the option to turn your camera on or keep it off, and of course, you'll want to keep your microphone on. Then just click on Join Now. Notice there are quite a few items in your bar here at the bottom. Again, you can turn your camera on. You can mute yourself, which is very preferable during a meeting if somebody else is talking. This is to share your screen, which we will demo as soon as others join. And then there are more actions listed here. For now, we're just going to wait for others to be ready to join our meeting. And it looks like we have folks ready to join our meeting. I see Amber is in, and since Amber is part of my organization, she just pops right in. Hi, Amber. How are you?
Hi, I'm doing well. Thank you.
Great. Amy is not part of our organization, so she is in the lobby waiting to be admitted. So I do need to admit Amy in. As soon as I hit admit, then, it looks like Amy pops in. Hi, Amy.
Hi, how are you?
Perfect. Thank you for joining us. First, I would like to ask both of your permission if it's okay if I record this meeting.
Yep, fine with me.
Perfect. So I'm going to click on Start Recording. And that way you can share this with any colleagues that were not able to join us today. One of the things I wanted to show you is how to share my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my share screen button, and then I will say which screen I want to share, which is right down there. Can you all see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes, I can.
Perfect. Great. So I can show you a couple other items that I wanted you to see. Like here, maybe I wanted to click here. I wanted to show you how you can sign up for free on Microsoft. As soon as I'm done with sharing my screen, I just head right back to Teams and I just click the stop sharing. Perfect. So now you're both done seeing my screen, correct?
Yes.
Terrific.
Right.
Great. Well, I think that concludes our meeting for the day. Thank you both for joining in.
Thank you.
you.
And it's just as simple as hanging up as soon as you're done. Once you hang up, it will show you that the recording has stopped and that it is currently saving your recording. And that's all there is to a Teams meeting. Subscribe to our channel for more contents like this and visit the links in the description.